Hello all, welcome to Supriya channel. Today's our topic is the heterotrophic nutrition. Previously, we studied the definition of the heterotrophic nutrition. What is heterotrophic nutrition? The organisms, they can't synthesize their own food or they can't make their own food. They depend on the other organisms for their food is called the heterotrophic nutrition. And examples what we studied, some bacteria and the animals we studied. And heterotrophic nutrition is classified into the three types. What are they? Let us see. First one is the saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, short form here I am writing. And second one is the parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition. And third one is the holozoic nutrition. What is the third one? Holozoic nutrition. And these are the types of the heterotrophic nutrition. What is the first one? Saprophytic, here and refers nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and the holozoic nutrition. Let us see the definitions of these three types of the nutrition and the examples. So let us see the examples of the saprophytic nutrition. What are the examples for saprophytic nutrition? Examples: yeast, mushrooms, mold on the bread. These are the examples for the saprophytic nutrition. Then what is the definition of the saprophytic nutrition? How these organisms they take the food? Let us see. These organisms they break down the, this is the food, children. These organisms they break down the food material outside of the body, then obtain the food. How they break down the food material? Means here, these organisms, they release the enzymes on the dead end decay matter. So suppose this is the dead end decay matter of the any plant or the animal or any organisms, plant or the animal. And here these organisms, they release the enzymes on the dead end decay matter and then they obtain the food. Understood? These organisms, they break down the food material outside of their bodies, then they obtain the food. This is all about the saprophytic nutrition. And next, what is the second one? Parasitic nutrition. And here examples what for parasitic nutrition? Leeches, lice, and mainly for parasitic nutrition, cuscuta, dodder plant. Cuscuta is a nothing but the dodder plant. Cuscuta is a dodder plant. So for parasitic nutrition, leeches we know, jalagalu, lice, pale. And how these organisms they take the food or they obtain the food? So these organisms, they derive the nutrition. Without killing plant or the animal. Especially except the cuscuta. This cuscuta kills the host plant. This cuscuta kills the host plant. Let us repeat the definition of the parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition definition examples are the leeches and the lice. these organisms, they derive the nutrients without killing the plant or the animal, except the cuscuta, because it depends on the host plant. Sometimes this cuscuta kills the host plant. This is all about the parasitic nutrition. And what is holozoic nutrition? Examples what for holozoic nutrition? Amoeba and the animals. Amoeba and the animals. So how we take the food? We are the animals. How we take the food? We take the whole food material into the body. Whole food material into the body, and then we absorb the food. Then absorb it. And here different steps are involved in the holozoic nutrition. What are they? Let us see. So this is the saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and the holozoic nutrition. And let us see the different which process or the different process are involved in the holozoic mode of nutrition, I said. So what are they? Let us see. Holozoic nutrition. This is the holozoic nutrition type of the heterotrophic nutrition. And in this holozoic nutrition, different steps are involved. What are they, children? Ingestion. First one is the ingestion. Second one is the digestion. Third one is the absorption. Third one is the absorption. Fourth one is the assimilation. And fifth one is the egestion. And what are the different process or different steps involved in the holozoic nutrition? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and the egestion. Let us see one by one. Let us see the definitions of the one by one. Ingestion means what? Ingestion means what? Taking the food through the mouth into the body. Taking the food through the mouth into the body is the ingestion. Next, what is digestion? Breakdown of complex food materials into simple ones are the simple food materials. Once again I am repeating, digestion. What is digestion? The process of breaking down of complex food materials into the simple food materials is called the digestion. And what is the absorption? Moving the food from the digestive system into the bloodstream. Here in the short form I wrote blood. DS means digestive system. Moving the food from the digestive system into the blood is called the absorption. Then what is the assimilation? Assimilation means whatever the food enters into the bloodstream or the blood. Here we know that cells present everywhere, and these cells absorb the nutrients into the body for growth, repair, and the development. Once again I am repeating, assimilation means what? Whatever the food enters or reaches the blood, here the cells takes the food or absorbs the nutrients from the food for their growth, repair, and the development. Next, last one, what is egestion? This is the ingestion. This is the egestion. Egestion means what? Removal of unwanted materials from the body. Removal of unwanted are the waste materials. Waste materials. Unwanted materials from the body. Removal of waste materials or the unwanted materials from the body is called the digestion. These different steps are involved in the holozoic mode of nutrition. This is all about the heterotrophic nutrition.